How was your weekend?
Terrible. My cat wrecked the house again.
Haha. No way. What was it this time?
It's not funny. When I went out to do the shopping, I told him to keep the place clean, but when I got back, the front room was full of coal.
Your cat does such crazy stuff.
This kind of thing happens all the time. I got him to chase mice, but all he does is wreck the place while I'm not around.
It's a pity you never see him do it. You could video it and put it on YouTube.
I guess so.
Maybe someone could even turn it into a cartoon. I bet that would be really funny.
That would be neat, but who would have the time and money to do that?
Good point. It'll never happen.